Hey guys, this is Edith with Scrapbooking with Me, and I just wanted to drop in. I have some new software. I have a new camera and a microphone, so hopefully that we can start streaming and you'll be able to hear me. But the problem is, right now I'm just trying to work out all the kinks, as is in always when you get new software. But I did this card this morning with using the camera, and the camera picture is pretty. I mean, it's really good, but it has a few little blurry spots, and then it has my microphone I had too hot, so it was actually banging a little bit. So I don't know if I'll upload it, but I may try to do this card again tomorrow if anyone's interested. If you're interested in seeing how I did this card, just let me know in the comments below. Now, I am going to try my best to stream live Friday. I hope by then I'll have all of the kinks worked out of this thing and have it ready to go. But we will see. And I'll try to have you another brand new video up tomorrow if nothing happens. And hopefully I can get all the blurriness out of it. And I have my mic set above me now, so hopefully there won't be any banging. When I set my scissors down in the other one, when I'd sit them down, it would bang and that kind of thing. So it's just me trying to get used to the new technical world. You know, I'm not too up on all this tech stuff. My son-in-law actually set everything up for me, and then he had to leave and go out of town on business, so he's not here to help me, and I've been trying to research it all day, and whew, I'm just tired. But anyway, if you want to see me do this card again, I can do it again tomorrow, and hopefully we'll have a better video of it, because I think the one that I did would just be a little bit too aggravating for you to watch as far as the sound and everything goes. But just let me know in the comments below, and we will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.